Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today, as you might see on the title, this is the first day, technically, of us getting ready for Cannon Beach, like our Cannon Beach trip. And this first part that I'm filming is us packing. So, let's pack!
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so excited. I'm freaking out, guys. Hi, guys.
Here are the suitcases.
I know you already said it, but I want to make sure I say it too.
I'll take this one up.
I never said it before, so I want to make sure I say it too. Hi, everybody. Welcome to
CJ, you always talk. Stop it.
And today we're going to be back for Cannon Beach. We're going to be back.
I'll be filming every single day.
Let's do this.
Move, CJ,
Let's
please.
get these for our packing.
Later. Okay.
Let's go. Mom.
All right. Mom already has our clothes ready.
He has a cut app, you know. He could cut some things out.
There we go.
Hi. Mom, say
Me
hi
and
to
CJ will
the
share
viewers.
this.
Say hi to the viewers.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
She's kind of annoyed at me right now, but I will not get into it.
Now would be a good time to stop the videoing.
No way.
Not all of this is going.
What?
I just have it all separated.
What
into
is this?
piles.
Your pants.
Well, there ain't my pants.
Your pants.
I'm in pajamas right now after wondering why I'm in
What do you want me to do with them?
viewers.
All right.
Are they clean or are they dirty?
I don't
Let's
know. Probably clean.
get started in this packing process.
Yeah! I know what to do.
No, I got it. I know what to
Not
do.
all going. We have to figure out what's
No, I have a
going
water
out of all
bottle.
of it.
It's fine. That'll work.
Hi! Hi everybody, welcome to a brand new video. Hey, can I show your phone, Mom?
No, they don't want to see
Stop!
that.
CJ, just stop.
No. Stop.
Oh, Mom's
What
phone!
the heck?
Why are
You're
you
throwing your
throwing
phone.
my phone?
You need to stop.
Stop,
CJ.
CJ. I will never show you in any videos ever again if you do that.
Okay, I won't do that.
What's that?
It's what?
Charging.
It's my charging
I'll
case.
just cover this until tomorrow. The video will be continued tomorrow. We're back. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's actually the next morning. This is the morning of our trip. Here's my breakfast. We have some kind of, well, I know what it is. It's a cinnamon roll with nuts and a biscuit with butter with some milk. But the reason why I'm having such a small breakfast is because it's Sunday, which means we have church before we go to Cannon Beach. So, yeah. I'll be back when we leave from our church. I'm not going to record our church. I'm going to come back when we, what's the word I'm looking for? Come back and leave from church and go to our lunch spot. Alright guys, we're back from church. We're getting our lunch here at Arby's. We already got drinks and french fries from McDonald's, but
Yeah.
we want our,
One roast beef.
we want some Arby's.
You want some?
And then
You want a fresh fry?
like another traditional, but no onion and
Eat your french fry.
lettuce if I could.
Yeah, eat your french fry.
Anyway, we have to head home really quick because we have some packing to finish. But then after that, we'll be on the road. So
Traditional Greeks are normal.
I'll be back to when we,
Traditional Greek is
you know.
onions, extra lettuce.
Hi guys, we're back. We are on our way to Cannon Beach after forever. I've been waiting a long time for this moment. Finally, we are moving. Are you excited, CJ?
Yeah. Wait, tell them what I did.
No, it's not important. We're on the road. Yeah, CJ forgot his toys because he's a dimwit when it comes to remembering things. Which is just how he is. I must embrace that. Apparently. Damn. Now Mom's crying like a little... Oh. Oh my... That's mean.
Comment down below if my mom is mean.
She is the meanest woman you would ever see. Ooh, a Winnebago. Cool. Anyway, I'm gonna pause this and I will come back when we're near the Columbia River. Guys, look, we're passing the Tacoma Dome. Look at that. See, do you see the Tacoma Dome?
Yeah?
It's a very cool building.
Is it the white one?
Yeah. Guys, have you ever seen the Tacoma Dome before?
It looks like a talent show thing.
Well, it kind of is. Tacoma Guitar
It's
Festival.
not showing me.
Whatever.
Why do I keep saying it?
There's also America's Car Museum right there. I just wanted to show you guys that. Guys, look at this beautiful landscape that we're passing. Look at these rocks. It's so gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Oh,
And yes, we are still in Washington right now.
why
isn't
do we
that
live in
nice?
Oregon? Ask Dad.
Well, for you guys, it'll be in a couple seconds since when I come back, we will be crossing the bridge. All right, guys, we are approaching the bridge that connects Washington and Oregon. It's right down there.
It's not
And as you
raining.
can see over there, there is a shipwreck next to my dad's ear.
And you
Just wait,
remember
it'll get into focus.
a boat.
Yeah, right. Come on, get into focus already. Right.
There's a boat right there.
Yeah. The boat crash. I'm so stupid. It's right there, ladies and gentlemen. We have reached the boat. Oh crap! Now it's covered. Anyway, yes, we are really close to the Oregon Bridge, Oregon-Washington connecting bridge. It is right there, right now. If my camera will focus, there we go.
It's not
There it
really
is.
Camera. It's a
Related
phone.
to Lewis and Clark.
Yeah, related to the Clark guy. William Clark of the Lewis and Clark Expedition Corps.
YouTube.
It's like zoomed in on your face right now. Alright, we're about to get onto the bridge.
If you're wondering what kind of iPhone.
And if I don't
this
make any
is,
more videos, that's because my dad
It's a dismal niche.
threw us into the River Columbia.
Yeah.
So, just in case I don't come back, I love you guys. Thanks for 22 subs. And yeah.
Subscribers.
Yes, I do mean subscribers. I don't mean sub sandwiches.
Yeah. Keep
We've-
this video
okay,
rolling
so-
until you find a parking spot.
We've been in this car for almost 3 hours now.
24 hours.
3.5 hours.
I can count through 24
It's been-
seconds.
My butt is pretty tired. Zachary is being a really whiny kid right now.
If we're in half Oregon, why is
So.
it not raining?
Because the rain stopped. All right, we're gonna get on this here bridge. Z, are you excited? Across these shores, across these waters, is the state of Oregon.
I'm gonna help Dad
In a
with
quarter
that.
mile, turn left onto US 101 South.
Yeah, so that's my dad's navigation. So he knows where he's going.
All right. This is the bridge. How are we supposed to get on this bridge? Is there a turn? Of course there's a turn.
Jump the rails.
Okay, so we're going that way towards Astoria.
Turn left onto US 101 South.
Thank you.
It's U.S.
Also known as the bridge. All right, here we go onto the bridge.
Continue on US 101 south for 4
And
miles.
that, folks, is the Columbia River. Probably one of the biggest rivers in Washington State.
I was talking about there'll be a sign of one of these notches saying welcome to Oregon.
It'll say goodbye, Washington.
I don't think it says
Comment down below if you guys have ever been to Oregon.
And Cannon
And
Beach.
what spot of Oregon.
Cannon Beach.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I get a little bit scared
I
around
think that's the
bridges.
sign.
Yeah, that's the sign. It says entering Oregon.
Welcome to Oregon.
That's cool.
Is that it?
Wow.
No, the YouTubers
CJ,
know.
I'm not gonna lie, I get kind of scared around bridges.
That's cool.
I get kind of scared around.
was
CJ,
actually
I'm
so
trying to talk. I get kind of scared around bridges. I'm always afraid we'll just tumble. Dad, you're doing that on purpose. Stop it!
Google.
I have a fear that I will just fall right into the Columbia River. I will drown. Because the Columbia River is pretty deep.
That was amazing.
Anyways,
Can
I will
ask
cut.
Google a question?
Is that an airplane over there? Or is that just, is it a seaplane?
Or is it poop?
You be quiet. I think I can see the coast.
We're
Of
at
Oregon.
Cannon Beach.
No, we're not. We're in Oregon, but we're not on Cannon Beach. Speaking of Cannon Beach, I will stop this section of the video and I will come back when we're entering the neighborhood of our cabin. All right, guys, we've made it.
Take
To
the next
Cannon
right to stay on
Beach.
South Hemlock Street.
And down there, I'll record it later, it's Haystack Rock. So, entering tsunami hazard zone. That's not good.
Wait, what the heck?
Tsunami
Continue
hazard
on South
zone.
Hemlock Street for half a
Okay.
mile.
That's not gonna make me worried because we have arrived at Cannon Beach. I'm so. See, are you excited?
Yeah, we're unpacking.
It took us about 4 hours to make it
24
here.
hours.
No, 24 hours minus 4.
This is how we would have.
I mean 20.
Right here. And off. Where's our newly renovated?
Just look for Surf Crest.
Where's our newly renovated?
Look for the
Condom.
surf.
Well, the freeway's faster.
Zachary, you do know that my youth pastor watches these videos.
Really?
Yes, and you just said condom.
Delete that video.
No, I have to add it in my video. I'll just bleep it out probably.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto
Anyway.
west of Crest Avenue.
Yep, that's our street.
Cannon Beach.
Just look for the sign that says Surf Crest and then turn down that way.
Really?
Yeah. I have a feeling we just passed it. Did we just pass it?
No, not according to. I think I've been in that store once.
Take the second right onto West Surf Crest Avenue. Then your destination will be on the left.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the bakery?
Right down over there. Right next to the store.
This is it.
Where?
I don't see it.
Finally.
Is this it right here?
Not this one. The next
Oh, the next one over. All
Finally.
right.
Where is
And is that it there?
Your destination
With the
is
blue
on
door?
left.
With the blue door?
Wow, look at that.
With the blue door?
Yep.
That's it.
it? Yay!
Welcome to the cabin, everybody.
That's crazy how
We
they-
have arrived.
Yay!
They made it look like.
Oh, and we have stairs leading upstairs. Cool.
Well, I didn't want to take
All right. We have arrived
Yay!
at Cannon Beach. See, you're stepping on
Sorry,
Chef
sorry,
Pee Pee.
sorry.
Let me get out
Can I have my
first.
toys? Can I have my toys?
And breathe in the ocean air.
Can I have my toys?
What a beautiful. I can hear the ocean. Well, here we are.
What are you saying? We're here.
Let's get our stuff before we go inside.
Thought it was raining.
Anyways, I'm going to end this video here. The second part of day 1 here will be the house tour, but I'm going to end here now so we can unpack. See you next time.
Tomorrow.